Hello guys, thank you for watching another episode of Chantel's Home Cooking. Today I will be showing you how to make shrimp and crab meat Alfredo Fettuccine. So I brought my water to a boil with a dash of salt and some extra virgin olive oil. So I'm adding a tablespoon of butter to the skillet. So after the butter melted, I chopped up some seasoning. So I also seasoned my shrimp. And you want to allow this to cook. Okay, now let's add our clawed crab meat. So that was real clawed crab meat. That was wild caught blue crab meat that I added. It smells so good. Cannot wait. Now after this cook, next we will drain the water off of the fettuccine, and then I will be combining this with some Alfredo sauce. And I will also top it with some shredded Parmesan cheese. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chantel's Home Cooking. Like and share, and also the description will be available below. Stay tuned. Okay, it is time to drain our fettuccine. Stay tuned. Okay guys, excuse me, our seafood Alfredo pasta is complete. So this was an easy stovetop recipe, which did not take long at all to prepare. Okay, again guys, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my cooking channel. Also guys, the description is available below. And thank you all for watching, and you all have a blessed day.